Today, I'll show you how to resize a page in your document using the Pages panel and a few simple layout settings. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to change the page size, whether you're switching between presets like letter or A4, or entering your own custom dimensions. Let's start by opening the Pages panel, since that's where you can clearly see and select the page you want to adjust. Look toward the top menu of your screen and go to Window, then choose Pages. When you click that, a panel will appear, usually on the right side of your workspace. This panel shows thumbnails of every page in your document, which makes it much easier to keep track of what you're working on. Once the Pages panel is open, take a moment to locate the specific page you want to resize. If you have only a few pages, you'll see it right away. If you're working with a longer document, scroll through the panel until you find the correct page. Click directly on that page thumbnail to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted and the main document area updates to show that page. With the correct page selected, it's time to open the layout options where you can change the size. Go back up to the top menu and hover over layout. Depending on your version and what exactly you need to adjust, you'll either choose margins and columns or page setup. Both of these options live under the layout menu and they control how your page is structured. If you just need to adjust how content fits on the page, margins and columns can be helpful. But if your main goal is to change the actual page dimensions, page setup is usually the more direct route. Go ahead and click the option that gives you access to the page size settings. When the layout dialog box appears, look for the section that lets you pick a new size. Here you'll see a list of presets like letter, A4, and other standard formats. If one of these matches what you need, simply select it. This is the fastest and most reliable way to